Hey, and thanks for checking out Mercari Masterclass, Make Money Buying and Selling Nearly Anything. So I'm going to quickly introduce myself and what this course is about. My name's Alex, and I've been in the internet marketing field for 3 years now. I've been successful in several internet marketing ventures, anything from the e-commerce space to information products, and using other platforms like eBay and Mercari. So with this course, I'm going to give you a full introduction to Mercari, how to use it if you're just, anything from selling random things around your house to scaling your own business and looking for another channel to sell your products on. And at the end of this course, you'll understand how Mercari works, how to sustain Mercari account growth, and how to market your store alongside improving the amount of products you have using dropshipping. And lastly, how to increase your profit and scale your Mercari store. So, if Mercari is something you're interested in, if you're looking for another channel to market your business with, or you just want to get rid of things you have around the house, this course is for you. It'd mean the world to me if you purchase this course, and hopefully I'll see you inside. Thank you.